Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a ShopRite grocery food haul. So let's get started with ShopRite. The first thing I picked up at ShopRite is these Johnsonville's grillers, cheddar cheese and bacon. These are sausage patties. People, you grill them as burgers, or you could cut them up and put them in your like spaghetti or whatever you want to do. They're full of flavor, and I'm talking about full of flavor. They're so delicious. It has cheese in them. They're extremely delicious, and they're sausage patties. They are so good. I like to put this with everything, but I'm definitely going to be grilling these. Oh my god, even my husband loves these. Loves them. Then I got a big thing of 4C. More again, these gigantic big tall ones. They're heavy. These were on sale $2.99. They usually run $8 or $9. So for $2.99, I always grab them. So I got the raspberry iced tea. And I have because I prep, I have maybe like 50 of these, all different types of juice mixes in my storage. So to grab these, they're cheap. Then I got this big peach one. This is the big peach 4C iced tea. So this is good to drink off and on. Then I got three of these big diet cherry Pepsis. So I got 3 diet cherry Pepsis. Nice big 2 liters. So I got 3 of them right here. And then I picked up some Bob Evans maple sausage for breakfast. I'm going to fry these with some eggs and stuff. Then I got some Perdue cutlets. They're already breaded. They're already cooked. They're real chicken. Has no antibiotics. These are really, really good. I like to make them by itself. Or you could cut them up and put it in salad. You could put melted cheese on them and make sandwiches. You could make chicken parmesan, like quick chicken parmesan. You could do basically anything with those. Like those. Then I got a pack right here of some pork chops. This is a small pack of pork chops. I got this gigantic double pack of ground beef. This was a manager special. They were trying to get rid of all these. They were like $5 or so. So I got a big heavy thing of ground beef. And then I picked up this new cereal, guys. This is the Kellogg's Oatmeal Cream Pie cereal. They look like the little, those little oatmeal cream, taste just like it. The ones that they have at the Dollar Tree. This is the Oatmeal Cream Pie cereal. It's so good. From Little Debbie's, Kellogg's. Oh my god. I had to grab that. Never tried that one before. And I don't really eat cereals like that, but I just had to get that. Then I picked up this one from Kellogg's. This is the Cookies and Cream Crispies. So it's Rice Krispies, but it tastes like cookies and cream. Oh my goodness. Then I picked up 2 of these Simply Potatoes Southwestern style. I love these. I love the Southwestern. It has like a spicy flavor to it. I'll put onions in it. I fry them up really good. I melt some cheese on them. Delicious. With eggs and stuff in the morning. I love these. My husband loves those when I make those. Then I picked up these Eggo. This is another Kellogg cereal. Eggo. Like the little waffle cereal. Oh my god. They look like little waffles. And it reminded me of the cereal I used to love back in the days. It was called the Waffle Crisp. Oh my god. It is off the hook. The Kellogg's. Then I picked up 2 big boxes of the Tony's pepperoni pizzas. These were on sale, $1.99. They used to have them at the Dollar Tree back then. I used to grab all of them. But that was like one time. All right. Now, I got a whole bunch of side dishes, guys. I got some pastaroni, Parmesan cheese, angel hair, pastas. Let me see. I got a whole bunch of these. Mostly all of these were $1. All of these were $1. The pastaronis, the macaroni and cheeses, I'm going to show you. All the side dishes and the potatoes. Everything I got were $1. So this is good for prepping and putting in your storage so you never run out. I picked up this cute, Paw Patrol mac and cheese. I just got it for the little cute decoration and whatever. Then I got the cute unicorn macaroni and cheese, the Kraft. The unicorns and the noodles shape are like unicorns. Super cute. And there's no little kids in my house, but I bought them anyway because they're just so cute. Unicorn mac and cheese. I got my favorite, the spiral mac and cheese. I got some Annie's Organic, the Shell's white and cheese. They're all $1. Everything was $1. The bunny pasta with yummy cheese. I love Annie's Organics. They're so good. So the best macaroni and cheeses from the box that I love, like all-time favorite, is Annie's Organics. And I love the Cheetos that I grab at Walmart. Oh my God, I love the Cheetos one. The Pastaroni. This is Parmesan cheese, angel hair again. I got another thing of the bunnies. Another thing of the bunnies. Love them. I got the farm ones. This is called Bernie's Farm. They look like little farm animals and stuff. Cute. I got another one of these shell white cheddar. Annie's Organic. Another Paw Patrol Kraft mac and cheese. Another organic Annie's Farm mac and cheese. I got some Idahoan. These are quick and instant mashed potatoes. Good for prepping. All my cabinets are completely filled with all of these side dishes and stuff. So this is the golden potatoes. Instant, real quick mashed potatoes. I got the Wisconsin cheese, which is the aged cheddar. Annie's Organic. I got another Idahoan instant mashed potatoes. This is smoked cheese and bacon. These were 99 cents. I love these Knorr Parma Rosa spaghetti, like pasta sauce. Really delicious if you never tried them. Like to make that. So I bought 4 packs of those, 99 cents. I got some cheesy bacon and macaroni Knorr side dishes. Love these. Got some more Kraft mac and cheese again, the spirals. Got some creamy chicken pasta, side dishes from Knorr. Sour cream and chives, Idahoan, instant mashed potatoes. I got another box of the bunnies, Annie Organic. I got 2 of these. One's creamy chicken. The other one is cheesy cheddar. I'm always grabbing those a lot. They're all $1. I got the bunnies, Annie Organic again. I got another Idahoan 4 cheese mashed potato. I got another cheesy cheddar. Oh my goodness. I bought some chorizos. These are the hard chorizos from Goya. Are these Goya? No, the tropical ones. Okay. So I buy the tropical or I buy the Goya. They're all the same. This is chorizos, like hard Mexican sausage. You peel the stuff off, cut them up, and put them in your rice and whatever you want to do with them. I love that. And then also at ShopRite, I picked up 3 McCormick's. I have like a couple thousand bottles of McCormick's. I have every flavor. McCormick's is one of my all-time favorite seasonings, favorite company. They're excellent with their products. I love their stuff. So I got the Smokehouse Maple seasoning. I got another one. This is the brown sugar Bourbon. This is excellent in meats and meatloafs and all kinds of delicious stuff. And then I picked up another Smokehouse Maple. Really full of flavor. It's so delicious. And then I picked up 3 really gourmet, really expensive. These are really small glass bottles of mustard. And this one is roasted garlic mustard. So I'm going to be using this for different recipes. I told my son not to mess with them for sandwiches or nothing like that. And then this one is the brown sugar Bourbon mustard. Oh my God. Love this. Okay, so it's from French's. Okay. It's a really good brand for mustard. Excellent stuff. And then I got this one here. This one is the Dijon Hickory Smoked Mustard. Oh my God. Sounded so interesting. So I had to grab those. And then I picked up 4 big bottles of vitamins. These are gummies. I picked up the D3 gummies. And these are all different fruit flavors. I picked up this one. This one is the Women's Multivitamin gummies. I picked up one of these. This is the hair, skin, and nail gummies with biotin and collagen. Looks like that. And then the last big one I picked up, vitamins, was hair, skin, and nails gummies. But this one has with over 2 times of the biotin. And, yeah, it's like extra stuff in here. So that's like the stronger one. And here's another one of those sauce mixes I picked up. And then the last 2 things I picked up or these packs. It feels like liquid. So this will be good to pour in my hair and scalp as a treatment. I never tried this one. This is the Cream of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Protein Treatment. It says conditioning aloe Jamaican black castor oil vitamin infused. I'm not sure if you leave this in or you rinse it out. I gotta read the instructions, but I think you leave this. I think you rinse this out. I don't know. It just caught my attention. I like the way it is, and I love using oil treatments and all different things in my hair. And plus, Jamaican black castor oil is bomb. I love Jamaican hair products. So, and you know, because I have Hispanic hair, so it's good to use anything. I love that stuff. So anyway, that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at ShopRite is all this food. Let me put all this stuff away. I'm going to cook, and I will talk to you guys later. Be safe out there. Have fun. Wear your mask, and I will do more videos soon. Have a good day, guys. Good night, guys. Bye.